These are the steps for solving the radical equations. If you'd like to write these down, then stop the tape and come back when you finish writing those down. I'll just go ahead and work the problem example that I have. So the first thing I'm going to do, I want to make sure that the radical is isolated on one side, which in this case it is. I'm going to raise this side to the power of 3 so that I can get rid of the cube root. Since I do it to one side, I have to do it also to the other side. So the cube root cancels out, and I'm left with 2x plus 7 equals 27. And now I'll just solve the equation just like you know how to solve. 2x is 20, and so x is 10. I always have to go back and check my answer into the original problem so that I can make sure that I don't have any extraneous roots. And in this case, I think we're good. 27, the cube root of 27 is 3, and that checks out. Let's look at another example. This one. I can see right here that I still do have the radical already isolated by itself on one side. This is the square root of 7x plus 15, so I want to take this to the power of 2 in order to cancel out that radical. If I do it to the one side, I have to do it to the other side. Well, now I have something that I've got to multiply together. Remember, we multiply x plus 1 times x plus 1 equals 7x plus 15. I FOIL this, x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 7x plus 15. And now I combine my like terms. Subtract the 7, subtract the 15, and I'm left with x squared minus 5x minus 14 equals 0. In order to solve this, I need to factor. This is going to factor with x minus 7 and x plus 2. So I know that my answers are x equals 7 and x equals negative 2. Remember, I said I have to plug those two answers back into the original to make sure that I don't have any extraneous solutions. So I'll start with a 7. 7 plus 1 equals the square root of 49 plus 15. 8 equals the square root of 49 plus 15 is 64. So that one checks out. And now I'm going to check the negative 2. Negative 2 plus 1 equals the square root of negative 14 plus 15. Negative 2 plus 1 is a negative 1 equals the square root of negative 14 plus 15 is a positive 1. So negative 1 is equal to the square root of 1, which is 1. This one does not check out. This is an extraneous solution.